What's up, guys? It's your friend Brad here. Today I am gonna show you how to properly complain about kitty litter. Know what I mean? Check it out. So this is where my cat goes to the bathroom. And I have switched to a new kitty litter, like this gerbil pebble thing. I wanted to tell you, that old kitty litter, like the regular stuff everybody uses, like the white little pebble things, those are full of chemicals. You should not use them. Get some organic gerbil like wood chip thing. It's much better. But look. For whatever reason, maybe because of the new kitty litter, she kicks it out all over. I think it's because she doesn't like the new one. She must adjust to it. So give it time. But it's just ridiculous that she kicks it out all over the place. Look! Anyway, I hope you like this video and share it and subscribe to it. Meow.